Good morning, everyone. Good morning and welcome to yet another edition of Madka's Masterclass. Today's masterclass is the last in the series on mastering Microsoft Word and Google Docs for technical writing. Wow, we've come through about 10, today will probably be the 10th session in the series, and we've learned so much from how to set up a Microsoft Word document, uh, how to edit it, how to set up paragraphing, how to set up the editing tools, how to use tables and graphs and insert them, how to insert a cover page, how to generate automated table of content, table of figures. We even went to Google Docs and showed how to use collaboration, how to use Google Docs for collaborative writing, and some of the features of Google Docs that makes it so exciting. In the last couple of classes, we looked at the mail merge function on Microsoft Word, how you can generate multiple documents to different people, the same documents to different people. In other words, generating multiple documents with ease so that you are not typing and sending one after the other. You can set it up so that you have a list of, of people the documents are generated for, and you can have personalized and individualized documents without going through the rigor of doing it one after the other. And in the concluding masterclass today, we'll pay attention to using the mail merge feature on Google Docs, the mail merge feature on Google Docs to be able to do exactly the same thing, even in a more sophisticated manner, how to send out documents to people, personalize it, and send it to them via their email, such that it looks as though you had them in mind and you sent them directly without you having to generate documents one after the other, after the other, after the other, which can be quite tedious. All right, so I'd like to share screen while I am doing that. Please remember to go to Maduka's Masterclass on YouTube. You just go to YouTube and search for Maduka's Masterclass. You would see you would see this. Of course, you're watching this on the YouTube channel, but you will see many other masterclass sessions. You'll see many other masterclass sessions. All right. Remember what we said about Google Docs, that you can approach it. I'll use this email. That you can approach it by either going to your email. Let's just do a refresher. Either you go to your email, let's type Gmail. See where your Google Apps are. If you see where my cursor is, that helps you to see where your Google Apps are. And then you just click on it and go down until you get to Docs. So this is Google Docs. This is Google Docs. So you click on it, double click on it, and you are in Google Docs. All right. Alternative is to just type docs.google.com. Docs.google.com in your browser, and you're there at the same place. It's actually easier. All right. So what do we want to do? We want to mail a document to multiple people. Want to email a document, but we want to personalize and customize that document. So you either want to have a blank where you would generate the document de novo, or maybe you want to use a template. See templates, and there are many more if you will just check the template gallery. I think we've gone through some of these things before when we're talking about the advantages of Google Docs. So you can either generate a blank document, you know what you want, or you can a template can help you. Let's see if this template can help us. Let's see if this template can help us. It's a letter, right? Okay, so for the sake of our time, you will probably just want to do something. Okay, let's go back. Let's do blank, okay? Let's do blank so that we see what we are going to do. So this is a blank document. Now, the next thing for you to do when you want to generate a document that you want to provide to multiple people and in a personalized manner is that you would need to install an extension. You will need to install an extension called Mail Merge. There are many extensions that can merge documents, and all of them have merge in it. So, but the one I use is Mail Merge. All right, the one I use is Mail Merge. By the way, let's give this document a title. All right, Masterclass Documents. So we have it. We've given it a title just by changing it here. So extensions. So you can see that on this particular mail, I don't have any extensions. So you click on add-ons and you click on get add-ons. Add-ons, get add-ons. So I clicked that. And then you would like to search for mail merge. So you can just type it in, mail merge. So you can see there are many of them, right? Mail merge, mail merge. So, but the one I popularly use, I use yet another mail merge. I use mail merge. So let's pick mail merge. Let's pick mail merge. All right, mail merge, and it is here. This is it. This is it. By Quicklution. Mail merge by Quicklution. Is it free? Absolutely. You can see that I'm installing for the first time and I have not been asked to pay a dime yet. So use the account that you want it to go in, grant the permissions, you must grant the permissions, else it will not work. So you allow. Mail merge has been installed, successfully installed the Google Workplace ad, has been added to your docs, sheets, forms, and slides sidebar. All right, good. So, which is also interesting for you to note that you're not just adding mail merge. You cannot. It's not just Word documents, Google Docs that you can use mail merge with. You can also use mail merge on Sheets, Google Sheets. You can use mail merge on Google Slides, and so on and so forth. All right. Okay, so definitely you've added it. What is there to do apart from to start? So start. Start. Yeah. Start. So at least you can see. So it's coming up. It's coming up. While it's coming up, let me just take a minute to remind us that this is the last in this series of this is the last in this series, and we will need in January we will get into a completely new series, and I'm thinking through setting up a masterclass on monitoring and evaluation. I'm thinking through that. So let's hope that works out and we're able to do that. All right. So free to install, or there is a trial. and then you have to pay for you to get more. So for in this free trial, you can only do, I think it's a maximum of 20 merch to 20%. But then you can click on this and you can pay for the unlimited version, which is what I've had to do for uh, another email address that I have. All right, there we are, there we are, there we are, there we are. So amazing. You've already given us a sample guide. You've already given us a sample guide. Now, as we did in the Word version when we tried to do merge, it is important that you have a table that you are linking to this that has all the information. So that's where the open spreadsheet or create sheet comes in. All right, open spreadsheet or create sheet comes in. So let's see if I can go pick up. So you have, if you're going to use open spreadsheet, it means you would already have created a spreadsheet. You get the point. You would already have created a spreadsheet. You would not just be, yeah. Otherwise, you just use create sheet. All right. Okay. So let me just pick the first sheet that I see. Let's pick the first sheet that I see, and let's include it. Let's include it. So you want to see what is in that sheet. Look at merge fields. Merge fields helps you to know what is there. So abstract code, title, presenting author name. Let's see whether there's more. Okay. Something is missing. I would need emails, abstract, status. Okay, so I would need email. So why don't I go and edit that sheet? It can be edited. You click on it, the sheet opens. Yeah, you click on it, the sheet opens. And you can see that. So let's add email address. Let's add email address. So for the sake of this, so that it doesn't start sending to strange, people don't start getting strange emails, I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to put in my email address. So if I get, right, I'm going to put in my email address. That's great. All right. So remember, anything you're doing gets automatically saved. So if you've done it, you can close it. You can close it. But remember, you will need to refresh. If not, you'll probably be dealing with the old sheets. It won't pick up the updates. So let's refresh. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. It's very important you refresh. Very, very, very important that you refresh. All right, so let's see whether that has come in. Let's see whether email address has come in. Yeah. So our sheet now includes an email. Why are you including email? You want to mail this to people, isn't it? And you need to have their email addresses to mail this to people. All right. So notification of abstract acceptance. Let's assume that's the email. All right. So there, you want to put in the name. You want to put in the name of the person. You have to go to merge fields. Go to merge fields and click and look at presenting author full name. Presenting author full name. All right. Okay, fine. To put it, and then you now click on add. If you don't put add, you are not making progress. You have to put add. So it's here now. So everywhere, everybody you send this mail to, the name that is in the presenting author full name column will be replaced here. All right. Let's look at this notification of abstract acceptance. We can actually put in the abstract title and code. Can we try that? All right. Abstract title, add. All right. Leave space. Let's put in the abstract code. So you set up, yeah, you set up your sheets the way you want it to be. It's taking up some space. I think it's easier to see now. All right. Okay. I write to notify you that your abstract has been accepted for, let's check it. Presentation mode. So this presentation mode is oral or poster. So it would have been chosen. It's already in the sheet, so you just add it here. I've been accepted for presentation mode. Please let me know if you are interested in attending and accepting this offer. All right. Let's see. Uh, if yes, is your abstract latest Monday morning. All right. I look forward to your best regards. Sign it any which way you need to sign it, and that is done. So that's your template. That's your template. All right. That's your template. All right. That's your template. And we're gonna email it. You're gonna email it. All right. So you can do a couple of things. One, show email settings. Yeah. So you see how the email is set up. So it's gonna email to the email address, picks it automatically. The email subject, masterclass document. Let's change the subject to invitation, abstract acceptance, abstract acceptance. You see that you can put in the email subject, abstract acceptance. Form display name, that is, who did it come from? Yeah, yeah, where did it come from? Now you have an opportunity to send your document either directly to the body of the email or as an attachment. Either directly to the body of the email or as an attachment. So I'm just going to click on this. All right. We'll probably come back and do another version where it is not attached. All right. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So we are ready to merge. Let's check options. Let's see. Let's see options, what we can do there. Anything. Um, multiple documents, a file for each row. This is when it is saving it to your drive because it will not just mail it, it will also save, you will also have a version saved on your drive that you can always go back. It's always a good idea to create a file for each row. That means instead of all the letters or all the documents to be in one, so the one sent to A, B, C, they are all together maybe if it's 20 people you're sending to, you have a PDF of 20 names. It is better to create for each role so you can easily go and pick up that person's own. All right. Yeah, very important. It's very, very important. Merge document name. Merge document name. I usually like to use the presenting author full name or something that has name in it. All right. And I like to say save as PDF so that it's important. So it's going to save, see where it's going to save my drive. So it will email to the person. It will also put it and save in my drive. So we've set that up. You can go and, you know, quote and unquote, play around with the other features. So what I want to do is to send a test email. You must always send a test email so that you see how the email looks like, so that you don't make one grave error and then you have mass produced it to everybody. So always click on test, merge to test email. You must do that first. Merge to test email. All right, merge. Yes, okay. So once you've looked at your test email, it's fine. Then you can mass produce and do emails to everybody. Email successfully sent. Okay, so let's go look for it. Let's go to our email, our inbox, and you see that abstract acceptance. It's saying me because this is Quality Help to Quality Help. If it was maybe to you that I sent this email, it will be reading here from Quality Help Limited. You get the point, yeah. So abstract acceptance. So that's it now. See, where's the email coming from? Quality Help Limited to me, and there's an attachment. There's an attachment. Let's open the attachment. All right, notification of abstract acceptance. That's the title of the abstract. That's the code. You get that? So that's really clear. I mean, I could do some formatting because I want everything to be uppercase or I want everything to be title case. That's fine. All right. So the name, you see that the name has been replaced here. Abstract has been accepted for physical. Maybe I should go and check whether that is what I want. There should be another column that talks about mode of presentation. And it's done. It's done. So if you like it, you go back and then mass produce, or if you want to edit, you can make edits. So let's look at it. Let's see if we can correct this presentation mode. I don't know if we took the information I am looking for. Let's see. Let's try. Yeah, okay. So if I'm not sure what it means, I'll go open the link again. So virtual, physical, that's the presentation mode. All right. So it doesn't state whether it is oral or, so let's say presentation type, oral, poster. So I want that variety here. So remember, whatever it is you're going to do, you're going to use, you make sure that it must be on the Excel sheet. You make sure that it must be on the Excel sheet. So you can either create an Excel sheet or you can create a sheet directly. Look at that. Again, this is for you to practice. I've already uploaded the sheet. You can create one. You can create one. Create a sheet. Merging template. So you see that, and you can, edit it, you can change the name, save it, and pick it, and you're good to go. Or you can even have an Excel sheet on your, on your documents, your downloads, on your laptop, and you can upload it. You can upload it to the drive and then go pick it. These ones that I'm using had already uploaded. I'd already uploaded before now. So these sheets are in my drive. So you can upload. How do you upload? Somebody's asking. File, open, computer. Sorry, upload. Computers. Upload. Browse. So you go find it. You go and find it. Whatever it is, wherever you have kept it or saved it, you understand. You go and find it. You click on it. In this case, we're looking for an Excel spreadsheet, isn't it? You click on it. And it goes up and it stays there. So that's how you do that. Let's come back. Let's refresh. Let's be sure that what we've added to that sheet is showing. Merge field, presentation type, add. Remember, it is where your cursor is. It's where your cursor is that will be where the merge field is placed. So let's do another test. Merge. Okay. So you can make edits, test, make edits, test until you are happy, very happy with the way the document looks. Yeah. So it says it has been sent. Go back and check again. Let's check it. It didn't come up. Accepted for. I didn't see it. Okay. So let's go check what's happening. Presentation type. Have I did it now? Have I done anything wrong? Merge. Presentation type. Let's check. So we have options now. Let's go. Try that again, isn't it? Let's try it again. Sometimes you have those kind of glitches. You just try again. Let's check what may have been the problem, trying to correct it. So like I said, you can send as many tests as you need to. Some. All right, let's check the templates. Let's check again. Okay, works. So, should give some thoughts to what may happen. Actually should be there. Oh, okay. Please go back and check. But we saw that it worked the first time. Maybe changing it that I had an issue. But it should work and we'll figure it out. But let's make progress. All right. So here we are. Once you've done that and you're happy, you can now mail to everybody on your list. Now let's try something else. I've ticked send doc as PDF attached. If I don't tick it, or like now I've unticked it, the message comes in the body of the mail. And message comes in the body of the mail. So let's see what that looks like. So I've unticked send as PDF. I've unticked send as PDF. So if you don't want to send it as PDF and you want it to be in the body of the mail, you see that. All right, you see that there. It comes in the body of the mail. It comes in the body of the mail. It doesn't come as an attachment. So it's actually up to you what version of things you prefer. What version of things you prefer. So now there's a thought that, oh, what if, okay, I don't think I refreshed that thing properly. Able to take the changes. What if I want something in the body of the mail? I also want an attachment. All right? Something in the body of the mail. I also want an attachment. So you can actually upload a separate attachment. I mean, maybe we have time in another class. We can show. You can also actually upload a separate attachment and still put the message in the body of the email. Okay. Okay. So far. Show you how to merge to emails directly rather than just sending a test. All right, so you keep watching, you keep learning. All right, you keep watching, you keep learning, you keep growing. All right, finally, let's email it. Instead of test email, you click on emails. Instead of test email, you click on emails. And you click on merge. So you're saying preparing to send emails. Okay. So let's go check it out. It just gave me an error message that the email is not correct, which means I didn't at Gmail. Oh, wow. You put the .com, gmail.com. Okay. To try something else. There should be many roads to the market. Presentation mode, I'm going to change it to oral poster. That column is not working. Let's see whether this one will. All right, let's close it. Let's refresh. You can continue learning. You can watch videos. Start the test. 1 second. Oh, all right. So let's mail it. Emails, merge. You have 26 emails to send. Do you want to continue? Once I click on yes, it will send them all up. As it's sending, it's showing you the progress. So don't send. Doing time it again. 20 and 26. Yeah. And with that, my free trial is almost over. Let's check. Let's check. Inbox. Remember, I set them to send to me. Send all of them to me. To send all of them to me. So I have to go check that my email address that I sent it to. Okay. All right. So I'm seeing that for some reason my edits are not saving. All right. Let's go. Let's check. Let me open the email. I set it up to content. So we can see this looking like. So the email has come. Polio, abstract acceptance. You see that? Let's open another one, just at random. See, it's another title, another person, accepted for oral. Okay, so all these changes have happened. All those changes have happened. All right. See that? And in summary, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you do the mail merge. All right. That's how you do the mail merge on Google Docs. So it can come in the body of the email, or you can set it to come as an attachment. It's up to you. It's your preference. It's your preference. All right. Thank you very much for the time spent with you today. Let's continue learning, building capacity, and making competence, technical skill and competence commonplace in our academics, in our training, in our workplace, and everywhere we go. And this is a fantastic opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year. Watch out for the announcements for Madoka's Masterclass for January, February, March editions. We will take on something entirely new. It will be announced to us ahead of time. In the meantime, you can keep enjoying. You can continue to enjoy. Um, in the meantime, you can continue enjoying the previous masterclass sessions on our YouTube channel, Madoka's Masterclass. Madoka's Masterclass on YouTube has all previous sessions, facilitation skills, presentation, technical writing, and so many other things that we have done up until this point. Till I see you again next year. Bye bye, and have a fruitful day in addition. Cheers.